When it comes to maximizing your kitchen space while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance, a kitchen island cart is a brilliant solution. There are many products available to choose kitchen island carts, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best kitchen island carts from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Winsome Wood Kitchen Cart. The Winsome Wood Kitchen Island Cart Natural is the perfect addition to any kitchen. With its natural wood finish and ample storage space, this kitchen island cart is great value for money. It's easy to move around thanks to the 4 caster wheels, and the towel bar adds an extra level of convenience. Most online reviewers agree that this cart is a consumer and editor favorite, and it's easy to see why. Whether you need extra storage space or a portable workspace, the Winsome Wood single-drawer kitchen cabinet storage cart delivers excellent results. Number 2. Yitahome Small Solid Wood Top Kitchen Island Cart. Despite being the small and compact kitchen island cart on wheels, Yitahome's small kitchen island cart with storage offers surprisingly easy mobility and ample storage space. Its solid wood top provides a sturdy surface for meal prep or serving, while the 3 spacious drawers and cabinet offer generous storage for kitchen essentials. The navy blue finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen or dining room decor. At such an affordable price, this rolling portable utility cart is a great value for anyone looking for additional storage and serving space in their home. Number 3. Yahitek Rolling Kitchen Cart. The Yahitek Kitchen Island Cart with bamboo countertop is a fantastic addition to any home. With its bamboo countertop and lockable casters, this rolling serving utility trolley cart is perfect for those who need extra storage and counter space in their kitchen, dining room, or bar area. The cart features 3 drawers and 3 removable shelves, providing ample space for all your kitchen essentials. The storage cabinet is great for storing larger items like appliances and dishes. The Yahitek Kitchen Island Cart strikes the ideal balance between functionality and style, making it a solid choice for any home. Number 4. Ironk Rolling Kitchen Island Table. The Ironk Rolling Kitchen Island Cart Table on wheels, storage cabinet, drawer, spice towel rack, kitchen cart is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and functional kitchen island cart. With ample storage space, including a cabinet, drawer, and spice towel rack, this cart is perfect for keeping all your cooking essentials organized and within reach. The drop leaf provides additional workspace when needed, making it ideal for meal prep and entertaining. The black finish adds a stylish touch to any kitchen, and the sturdy construction ensures that it will last for years to come. Number 5. Ironk Kitchen Island. The Ironk Kitchen Island Cart with wheels is an excellent addition to any kitchen. This rolling kitchen island cart is on wheels, making it easy to move around and position wherever you need it. With a drop leaf, 3 open spice rack shelves, a door cabinet, and a drawer, this kitchen cart island table offers ample storage space for all your kitchen essentials. The white finish gives it a sleek and modern look, while the sturdy construction ensures that it will last for years to come. Whether you're a professional chef or just love to cook at home, this kitchen island cart is guaranteed to become your go-to for extra counter space and storage. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.